If your rear access vehicle is equipped with a power door and power ramp, you will be supplied with one remote control for both door and ramp operation. Press and release the open button once, and the automatic rear door will open. Press and hold the same button, and this will deploy the ramp. Release button once ramp is fully deployed. To stow the ramp, press and hold the close button. Once ramp is fully stowed and the door begins to move, release the button and the automatic rear door will continue to close.